Well, good morning. Like I was saying in my other video, my allergies are awful today, so I look really bad. We're gonna have some French toast this morning. What I have in this skillet is 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this where it is getting warm while I mix this up. Now, I am doing 6 pieces of French toast. And what we like to use is a thicker bread. This is that artisanal, I guess. I don't know how you pronounce that. But it's a thicker bread. You can use a Texas toast. I'll show you what it looks like. It's more dense and it's a little thicker. So that's what I like to use. That or a French toast, or not a French toast, a French bread for this. But anyway, for every 2 pieces of bread, you need an egg. So I have 6 pieces of bread I'm going to do. So I have 3 eggs in my bowl here. I have a half a cup of heavy whipping cream and a half a cup of whole milk. If you have half and half, you can just do a cup of half and half, because that's basically what it is. I'm just going to pour that in here. And then I am going to put a tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm going to taste this first to see. Mix that up. Because it just depends on how much you're making as to how much good you need to put in there. I am going to do 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Some people like to put cinnamon and nutmeg, things like that in their French toast. I've just never been a fan. And doing this with the maple syrup, you don't have to put vanilla in it either, because that is all the flavor you need right there. So, okay. I have got this on. It's a little past medium, not quite to medium high. You don't want to cook your French toast too quickly, because you got to get it done on the inside. I'm going to get me a lid. I'm going to mix that butter up in that oil a little better. I like to use a square pan because I can fit 4 pieces in there easily. And it's a little better, I think. I can see what I'm doing. I put the bread in there and knock it to the bottom. Flip it over and do the same thing. I want to make sure it gets that stuff all soaked up in there. And then I'm going to let it drip all the goodie off of there. And I'm going to lay it over here. I'll do my next one. sometimes you do have to come back and add more milk and egg and everything. It just depends on how much your bread soaks up. We just might have enough today. Make sure I'm over that eye real good. And then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to leave it there for at least a minute. And I'll check it. I meant to tell you too, I have my oven on warm setting. We have a keep warm setting on my oven. So I have that going. And I have a cookie sheet here with a cooling rack inside of it. Set down in there so that I can put them on there to keep them warm while the rest of them are cooking. I may not have to do that today because it's just the two of us. But if you have a bunch of people and you're having to make for a crowd, you don't want everybody's pancakes to get cold while yours is hot at the end, or yours is cold while theirs is hot at the end. So that's a great way to keep everything warm. Just set your oven. My keep warm setting is 170. If yours will go that low, I wouldn't go any more than 225. Alexa, cancel. All right, let's check these and see how we're doing. Okay, let's check these again. You notice they don't get perfectly brown in the right places, so I'll have to kind of play around with their position in here. I just want to go this way now and make sure you don't splash yourself. And this one's going to turn the other way. Alrighty, I'm going to get these off and put them over here to drain a little bit. I'm going to put another 2 tablespoons of butter. A little bit more oil. Let that get good and melted. I may have enough egg mixture in here to make some more. Did you know you can freeze French toast? They do French toast sticks that are frozen. And I don't want to waste all of this. Alright, well that one is cooking. That last one going to plate this up. Let's get this over here. That's not too hot now. Let's stir up this here syrup. And there we go. Yummy, yummy. Y'all go make some.